To operate the laser, you'll first need to turn on the power strip located on top of the table to the left of the laser. This will also automatically turn on the air assist. Next, we'll turn on the laser cutter. The power button is located on the side of the machine towards the back. The laser will automatically begin performing a homing operation. You don't want to reach into the laser or put any material inside until this operation is complete and the laser head is no longer moving. We'll grab our material now that we'll be cutting, and in this case it's 1/8 inch birch plywood. All training material will be provided by the makerspace. However, for your own school and personal projects, you will have to supply your own material. We'll line up our material to the left and top ruler inside the laser cutter, and the next thing we need to do is to focus the laser. We'll do this by first pressing on the focus button, and then we can use the up and down arrows to move the laser bed. We'll drop down the little spring inside the laser, and this is what we're going to use to gauge when the laser is in focus. We'll bring the bed all the way down, and then we'll slowly inch it back up so that it just slightly touches the spring. Once it's touching the spring, the laser is in focus. We can then put the spring back in place and hit reset on the panel, and this will lock the focus in place. Make sure you hit the reset button or the focus will not hold. We can now shut the laser door, but before we can fire the laser, we have to remember to turn on the air filter. This is a very important step. The air filter is located to the right of the laser cutter, and it's right under the CNC mill. The power button to turn on the air filter is located right on the back right of the machine. We can now send our file to the laser, and as long as you have focused and the air filter is on, you can hit go. The laser will begin the raster operation first. This is where it's going to scan back and forth really quick, and it's going to engrave the text of our name. It'll then go into vector cutting, where it'll cut the outline of the box. Once finished, the laser will return to its home position and it'll beep. You can then open the lid and remove your part. When you're done using the laser and there's no one else in line to use the machine, make sure to shut off the laser, the air filter, and the power strip.